Ever wondered who's backing the financial tech giant, Airwallex? A company that's disrupting traditional banking and international payments. Let's dive into the financial powerhouses that have placed their bets on this innovative fintech. Airwallex, the Australian fintech unicorn, has been making waves in the global financial scene. With its sleek platform and innovative solutions, it's captured the attention of both businesses and investors alike. But who are the key players fueling this fintech revolution? The investor powerhouse. To understand the financial backing of Airwallex, we need to look at a diverse range of investors, each bringing unique expertise and capital to the table. Key investors and their impact. Sequoia Capital, a renowned venture capital firm with a history of investing in groundbreaking tech companies. Sequoia's investment in Airwallex signifies its belief in the company's potential to reshape the global financial landscape. DST Global, a prominent investment firm with a focus on technology and internet companies. DST's backing of Airwallex underscores the company's strong technological foundation and its ability to scale rapidly. Tencent, a Chinese multinational technology conglomerate. Tencent's investment in Airwallex provides access to the vast Chinese market and its deep understanding of the Asian consumer. Alibaba, another Chinese tech giant. Alibaba's investment in Airwallex strengthens the company's position in the Asian market and provides valuable strategic insights. SoftBank Vision Fund, a major technology investment fund. SoftBank's investment in Airwallex highlights the company's disruptive potential and its ability to revolutionize traditional financial services. The synergy of investment. The combination of these powerful investors brings a wealth of resources, expertise, and connections to Airwallex. These investments not only provide the necessary capital for growth, but also open doors to new markets, strategic partnerships, and technological advancements. The future of Airwallex. With such a strong financial backing, Airwallex is well positioned to continue its rapid growth and expansion. The company's innovative approach to international payments, coupled with its robust technology platform, has the potential to transform the way businesses operate globally. Airwallex's success story is a testament to the power of innovation and the support of visionary investors. By understanding the key players behind this fintech giant, we can gain valuable insights into the future of finance and the impact of technology on traditional industries. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.